traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Aussie dollar monthly time frame, we've been pushing down pretty hard. We are approaching a pretty clear, apparent trend line right here. Now, if this is like a running correction, then it would definitely make a higher low and continue back up. But we have to keep in mind that it could turn into an expanding correction, which would go down and take out all these lows before it actually does end up continuing up. Luckily, we should be able to identify the end of this trend on shorter time frames when it does happen. Going down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I still think this is 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down, which is why I'm kind of leaning towards the idea that it might turn into an expanding correction, because it seems like it's way too short to be already complete. So anyways, let's take it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what I've been saying is that if this is a 1, a 2, and we're in a wave 3, then this has to keep on going down. If it does not keep going down, but instead goes up and breaks structure, then it totally will invalidate the idea of this being a wave 3. If it really is a wave 3, then it needs to go way beyond where we're at right now, probably go down and take out some of these lows like I was showing on the higher time frames. Taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. So the trend is definitely still down on the 4-hour. We most recently had another ABC correction, so that was a pretty nice little clear pattern right there. Plus we did fill that gap that was made last weekend. So, like I said, if the trend goes up and takes out this high, then I'll definitely start looking for longs, and that definitely will invalidate this being a wave 3 on the daily. If not, then this move up right here could very well be a correction to this last wave down, which means we need to pay very, very close attention to these Fibonacci retracement levels. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we are going up right now pretty strong. But until it actually goes up and breaks this high, we have to keep in mind this move up is very likely a correction to this move down. So if we see any kind of a 3-way pattern up to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels of the last move down, then we see like a nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside, then I definitely will continue to look for shorts for the potentially the continuation of the downtrend. Like I said, if this really is a wave 3 on the daily, then we have a lot of downside potential. If it's not a wave 3, then it could go up and take out this high, proving that it's not a wave 3 on the daily time frame. So pay attention to your Fibonacci levels, pay attention to your structure, and you should be trading in the right direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.